Hi, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm showing a 3.5 by 3.5 inch chipboard mini album that I made. And this chipboard album is Fun Time. It's with Disney characters. I have Mickey on the front, and these are stickers. And here's a page where you can put a 2-inch or 3-inch picture, and it has a tag for journaling. And here's another page, and this also has tags in it for journaling. It's like 3 or 4 tags in this pocket. And this one has Minnie on it, and this one also has tags for journaling. And here's another page that you can put a picture on. These would hold a 2-inch or a 3-inch size picture. And I have more tags for journaling. You can put a picture here and another tag to write to journal on. These tag sizes are 2 and 11/16 of an inch. And I put a Goofy sticker on this one, and this one has tags that you can journal on it with a little pocket. And here's one with Daffy Duck on it, and more tags for journaling. Here's another where you can put a picture, and there's more tags for journaling. This mini album size, I'll say again, is 3.5 by 3.5 inch. And I took pattern paper and covered over the chipboard to make it sturdier. And here's another page that you can put a picture on, and that you can write that you can write on. You can write on the tag. And here's a Pluto sticker, and this has also got tags that you can do journaling on. And here's another page that you could put a picture in it, on it, and it also has more tags for journaling. And this has tags for journaling to slip them down in the pocket. And here's the back of the mini album. You can put a picture on this one, and this has tags. I used 3.5 by 3.5 inch chipboard, and I covered the chipboard with pattern paper. And then I just cut these at 3-inch, the photo mats. I cut them at 3 inches, and then I took the quarter punch, and rounded off the corners. Rounded off all the corners on all the pages. And I took and punched these holes with the Crop-A-Dile hole puncher. It takes and punches holes in the paper. And then I use these metal book binders, and then stuck down in the holes to hold the book together. The tags was punched with this tag punch. And this tag punch is 2 11/16 of an inch. and these come out. And Fun Time was punched out with the We Are Memory word punch board. And here's how the punch board looks. And then if you wanna, you put your letters in here. I'm gonna do the one Fun. You line your letters up, F, U, N, and then you take your paper and you line it up to here where the guide is, and then you just punch down, and there's the word Fun. But if you want these letters closer together, I seen it on somebody's channel. Fun is spelled F-U-N. You're going to leave the F. You're going to take away the U. And then you're going to move the N all the way over to the F. And then you're going to punch it. You can line it up. Punch it. And then you're going to take out the F and the N. And then you're going to line the U up on the letter. I mean, not the letter. Sorry about that. The number 5. There's numbers down here. So you... That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5 is right here because they got numbers marked on it. And then you're gonna put it back and line it over to the side. And this makes the letters closer together. And there it is. The letters closer together. That's it with the letters close together. And this is the one with them. The way it tells you how to put them in, line them up in the punch board. I like them better close together. But in order to get them close together, you have to skip every other letter. And then your second row would have to start on 5. On the number 5, and then all the other letters would have to be lined up towards it, and then you put the paper up on the here, and then you just stamp the second row. And I'm also going to have a giveaway. I'm trying to get more subscribers, so if you leave a comment and you share my YouTube link, and you must have a USA address, and you must be the age of 18 to enter. And what I will be giving away is I'll be giving away whichever one that you would want. These are made out of brass. These are rings. I have one with a clear crystal in it, and I have one with a tiger eye. The tiger eye is good for depression and your mental health. And these are made out of brass. They're wire wrapped. And I would be giving one lucky person that is randomly chosen one of these rings of their choice. You must be 18 of age. You must be a U.S. address, U.S. shipping address. You must share my YouTube channel and leave a comment below, and you must subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a ring of your choice, one of my handmade rings of your choice. And this will end on September the 1st, so it'll give plenty of time for everybody to find out about the ring giveaway. These rings are made out of brass. They don't tarnish. And I'll be giving away one of these of one that you choose for the winner to one person. And leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share my YouTube link on social media, and let me know which one you shared it on, and have a USA address. And thank you for stopping by. And this will end on, did I say September 1st? I say September the 1st, 2019. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great night.